Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Bybit to your Web3 wallet. It's very easy to do. First, go to bybit.com and log in to your account with your credentials. Then, you will see a bunch of options from your home screen. From here, select Assets. Then, select Withdraw from here. Now select your crypto. For example, select Ethereum here. Now paste your wallet address here from your Web3 wallet. Then select chain type. Remember, you have to select the chain type same as your Web3 wallet. Then enter in the amount how much you want to send. After entering the amount, then just select confirm, and that's it. That's how you can send Bybit to your Web3 wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.